Are you ready to step into a world where your home can respond to your every need? Welcome to another episode of Renopod. Today we have Gui right here with us and we are going to talk about smart home for your dream home.
Well, recently I saw a lot of people integrating smart technologies into their home. Is it a trend or something?
Okay, smart home is actually the future, and smart home actually bring around convenience, accessibility and security for your home.
So let's say if I were to install smart technologies into my home, how does it work?
Basically nowadays the devices, right, you don't need to rewire, you don't need to drill. It can be tiny and it can be just operated with battery and it's not visible at all.
Oh, wow, that's so cool. So it doesn't really clash with our dream home's interior design.
Definitely not lah, because nowadays you can just use app to do the smart technology. The most commonly used app are Google Home, Apple Home.
That's really a smart feature. Everything can be controlled by just using our voices.
There's a lot of different appliances that can use smart technology, like for example, smart aircon, smart lighting, smart curtain and blinds, or even like smart sensor.
I can foresee in future there will be a lot of smart homes around everywhere.
But provided you must have a home first. So for homeowner, right, who are renovating your home, you can visit renopedia.sg. You can find inspiration, tips and ideas for your dream home. And if you engage an interior design firm via Renopedia, you have the chance to win up to $50,000 via Renopedia.
Renopedia is the best.
Okay guys, that's the end of our podcast today. So if you all have any comment and if you want to share about smart home, you can leave your comment in our comment box below. Remember to like and share our video. I see you at the next podcast.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.